Okay, one more time then. So this is all free to download from level 99. At least from Discord you can find it, and you can ask questions. The creators are very passionate and interested and active, and but if you go for the custom version, there's a lot of figure out. I mean, I don't shy from print and play, but this is also for me quite intimidating. So no promises. Oh no, 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 no. Let's see, Copernica, Heroine and Boss cards. So they are also provided in PDF. That saves me a lot of time. However, so for the cards that is not a problem, but for the coins it would be a problem. So the Heroine and Boss cards, I have... Why is this Heroine and Boss card? Oh, the backs. Okay. Fronts then. These fronts I don't need to change. I can just print them. But this is just the cards. Let's see. Heroine boards. Fronts. Yeah, I can also put the coin capsules over this. I think it doesn't really hurt immersion that much. It's just if I have a single sideboard enlarged, I think I'll be fine. That would save a lot of time. And then I can print out the rest in printer ready files. Okay, that's nice. The Stella Heroine cards. Fronts. Outdated. Okay. Then there is also the base characters. You can simply find online the high resolution base characters. So like Adelheid Beckenbauer and some nice pictures. The only thing that you need the actual game for is these actual cards for gameplay. So Adelheid is here, Boss, Mecha Mary. I think I have some work to do here. Ekolu, Kapahaki. You see, this is a single picture showing all three of these game boards. The thing about the problem is that for the boss, this and this goes together to side by side, and this goes to the right. So I think it's most natural if you use it as a fold out, but you can't use it as a fold out because then if you flip it, then the character, the boss character would be on the right, and this would be on the left. If you that I don't think that works, but this left part and the right pane you can simply glue together, I think. If you make this as wide as this part. It should have been one more iteration in the 28th to make it really timeless. Yeah, so that's all I have to show. Going to set up again soon. Maybe I'll just wait for the coin capsules to arrive. That should be in a month. And yeah, see ya.